Let's go.
Installation instructions of the electronic water pump for 1.8T 2.0T engine. Warning: use of sealant for installation is prohibited. Disassembly and reassembly are prohibited. Prior to installation, be sure to read these instructions carefully. The warranty does not cover any water pump damage or failure resulting from improper operation. 1. Installation preparation. 1. Wait for the engine to cool down to ambient temperature before installation. 2. Check compatibility between the new thermostat and the vehicle model through the following steps. 1. Clear fault codes before installing a new thermostat, water pump. 2. Unplug the power cord of the old thermostat and connect it to the power inlet of the new thermostat, as shown by the red box in the lower left figure. 3. Power on the vehicle without starting the engine and see if any fault light on the dashboard goes on. 4. If no fault light is on, the new thermostat is compatible with the model, and the water pump can be used. 2. Installation steps. 1. Empty the coolant on the car. If the coolant exhibits any sign of turbidity, water scale, or corrosion, the water circuit should be well cleaned first. 2. After removing the old thermostat, inspect the installation contact surface on the engine side and clean off residual dirt. Use caution to avoid causing any scratch on the surface. 3. For installation of the new thermostat, first, align the product positioning hole, as shown by the red box in the lower right figure, with the locating pin of the engine. When fixing the bolts, use a torque wrench and follow the 5-1 order as shown in the right figure. Tighten them in turn with 9 Nm torque. 4. Install the bolts, different pipe connectors, and a power cord in the same sequence as removal. Ensure complete installation. 3. Operations after installation. 1. Fill sufficient coolant, making sure it is in the range between max and min. Use standard coolant strictly in line with a vehicle specification. Use of inferior coolant is prohibited. 2. After installation, power on the vehicle and match the electronic thermostat with the onboard PC system that varies with the vehicle model. Remember not to start the engine before the matching process is completed. If reinstallation is required, the installation steps described in the above section 2 should be repeated, and the fault codes should be cleared. 3. Start the engine and turn on the air conditioner or the heater. Run the engine idly for 30 minutes with the thermostat fully open. Allow the coolant to recirculate completely to achieve desired exhaust effect. And meanwhile, observing the level of the coolant in the expansion tank. Replenish it in time if it drops until the exhaust matching process is over.